Welcome back to Beautyistic, lovelies. If you've been curious about achieving that flawless, airbrushed look without leaving the comfort of your home, the TEMPTU SB Silicone-Based Airbrush Foundation might just catch your attention. This is a liquid foundation designed for combination skin, offering a dewy finish in the shade 004 Sand. Let's see if it really delivers on its promise. The formula is silicone-based, which is key for that smooth, seamless coverage that airbrush systems are known for. It's lightweight yet buildable, meant to create an even skin tone without looking cakey. Silicone foundations typically glide beautifully over the skin, filling in fine lines and providing a luminous effect, which is exactly what TEMPTU is aiming for here. The dewy finish is particularly appealing if your skin tends toward the dry side or if you love a radiant glow rather than a matte look. In terms of my personal experience, incorporating this into my routine was surprisingly simple. Using a standard airbrush system, the foundation sprays evenly, blending effortlessly across the contours of my face. It feels silky and light, almost like wearing nothing at all, but still offers coverage that can conceal redness and minor imperfections. For testing, I wore it during a full day of normal activities, including brief outdoor exposure and occasional touch-ups, and I noticed it maintained a natural, fresh finish without sliding or settling into fine lines. One point to note, as with many silicone-based formulas, proper cleansing afterward is essential to avoid any buildup. What I love is the finish. It's radiant and skin-like, perfect for photography or special occasions. The buildable coverage gives you flexibility, which is excellent if you like a medium to full coverage option without multiple layers. On the flip side, airbrush application requires a compatible system, which adds an extra step and investment compared to traditional foundations. Also, while the shade range is decent, 004 Sand might not suit very fair or deeper skin tones, so careful shade matching is important. Value-wise, this is definitely a higher-end product. The price reflects the professional-grade formula and the airbrush application experience. If you already own an airbrush system or are willing to invest, it's justified by the quality and finish. For those seeking a similar effect without the extra tools, silicone-based liquid foundations from brands like Makeup Forever or Hourglass offer comparable dewy coverage, though the airbrush method will still give that uniquely smooth texture. Packaging feels professional, sturdy, and travel-friendly. The longevity of the product is solid when used with an airbrush system, and the formula itself stays fresh without separating, which is a hallmark of a well-formulated silicone foundation. I haven't personally interacted with customer service, but TEMPTU has a strong reputation for responsive support in case questions arise. If you're aiming for that airbrushed, radiant finish, and don't mind the initial investment in an airbrush system, this foundation is a standout choice. It delivers smooth, buildable coverage, a dewy glow, and the professional polish many of us aspire to at home. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, beauties. If you've tried the TEMPTU SB Airbrush Foundation, drop a comment below and let us know how it worked for you. The link to purchase is in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.